Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to learn AFL, basically Amibroker Formula Language. Simple thing is it's very powerful but also very easy to start. So yeah, by end of this video you will write your own code. That's it. Just simple steps. Let's go. So basically AFL is like a C programming language, but don't worry, no compiler needed. You write code and you see the results instantly on your chart. It has variables, operators and functions, all simple things. You can create indicators, scans and even trading system. So yeah, it's like giving instructions to Amibroker. It's very straightforward. You don't need to be programmer. That's it. Now let's write our first code. Open the formula editor from the analysis menu. Then type this: plot, close, price, color blue and style line. It's simple, right? Now click apply. Look at your chart. You see the blue line. That's the price line. That's it. You just wrote AFL code. It's very easy. So yeah, now let's understand what this code means. So basically plot is a function. First part is what to plot. Here close price. Second part is label price. That is color blue. Last is style line. Close is a built-in price data. Color blue is predefined, so no need to define it. Simple thing is you just tell Amibroker draw this line with this name and color. That's it. No extra confusion. Now let's use a variable. Write my MA equal to MA close 20. Then plot my MA 20 MA, then color red and style line. So basically MA calculates moving average of close price with period 20. We store it in my MA, then plot it in red. You see the red line on chart. So you can use any calculation. So that's it. It's very powerful. Now what if you want different colors based on condition? So use if. For example, plot close candle if close is greater than open, and color green and color red and style candle means. So basically if close is greater than open, color is green, otherwise red. So a simple thing is if checks condition and gives one of the two values. So it's not complicated. That's it. Your candle now show green and red automatically. Now to make your code flexible, use param, means a parameter. Write my period equal to param period, then 25, 100 and 1. Then plot MA close and my period, MA color blue and style line. So basically param, it creates a slider. First is name, second is default value, then minimum maximum steps. So users can adjust these settings from chart settings. So no need to edit code again. That's it. It's very useful for sharing. Once code is ready, save it. Go to file, save as, give name like my ma.afl. And now you can apply this file to any chart. Just right click on your AFL file and click on insert. That's it. Your AFL now inserted to chart window. Before we end, some tips. First, use comments like this is my MA code, like that, based on your logic. Comments help you remember. So second, keep code simple. Don't write long lines. Third, test on one step first, not whole market. Fourth is use param function for flexibility. So yeah, these small things make your life easy. That's it. So let's quickly recap. We learned what is AFL, simple language. Then I wrote first code with plot function and used variables and moving average, and I did conditional plotting with if condition, added parameters with param function, and saved and shared .afl files, and followed best practices. In next video we will do a stock scanning using AFL. So yeah, like this video, subscribe to the channel and share with your trader friends. That's it for today. Thank you friends.